everyone, welcome to the Rockstar Experience channel, and today is my mom's birthday party. So I am bringing the Rockstar Experience to my mama. I'm doing her hair, I'm doing her makeup, and we having a good time at her party, right mom?
Yes.
So stay tuned. Right now we are on our way to the beauty supply. Next week, oh, don't mind my hair, I got it wet in the shower, but you know we're gonna look cute later. But we're going to the beauty supply store, Target, and Ulta. Okay, so let's go into this beauty supply store. We are trying to get this Chloe Bailey look. We was doing that today for these. Oh, so we doing this one. We was doing that today for these. That's why I said you probably need that lock hair.
I want that one.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got our hair. Hey. We definitely was just walking down the aisles, but we ended up getting exactly what we needed. On to the next spot. We went to Ulta Beauty. Now, going in Ulta, it was straightforward, but we just needed some new makeup brushes because my mom didn't have her own. And we needed some setting powder. So apparently in Maryland, you can't, it looks like we stole it, but you got to pay for bags everywhere. I thought it was just at the grocery store, but nope. We just look like these walking out the store with the products in hand. How would they know? Next up, Target. I had to buy bra and panties, and unfortunately I had to walk out with them in my hand. Okay, everyone, so we have everything. I forgot to record us going in the liquor store, but we got everything. So now it's time to go back in the house, eat, and get ready. So stay tuned. Okay, we are well showered, we are bathed, and remember we're doing this Chloe Bailey look. So first things first, I separated out her edges and I am braiding her hair to the back. And now y'all know this is a Rockstar Experience vlog, so I had to throw a little tutorial in there. Now it's not about to look exactly like Chloe Bailey's because I am not the stylist that did their look, but it's gonna look very similar, and that is the inspo. So I did 6 straight backs on my mom's locks, and then I secured them in a bun. Afterwards, I'm going to take this beautiful crochet hair and then crochet in her pieces. One thing I learned doing this part, my mom is hilarious. One thing I learned doing this part was that I probably should have did her baby hairs first, but I think we were so excited for the look that I just was skipping steps. And I'm going around her locks, not through them, because I don't want to mess up what she has. I just want to, you know, add a little enhancement pieces. And I felt like if I went through her locks, that would definitely mess them up. I'm not a loctician, but I am a hairstylist, and my common sense just said don't go through, go around. So I'm definitely crocheting in about 4 to 5 pieces on each side. It was so cute. For some reason, my mom thought I was a makeup artist, so of course she had me on makeup duty. I am not a professional makeup artist. I really only do my face. So the techniques I was using was strictly for her face. And it came out so cute. What y'all think? Should I be a makeup artist too? And look at those baby hairs. Yes, I slayed and snapped on this Chloe Bailey inspired look. And it all came together so cute. All right, everyone. We are dressed. There go my mama. It's her 50th birthday. Period. But we are dressed. She got the Rockstar Experience from head to toe. Okay, so I'm driving. So I'm about to get off of here, but stay tuned. I'll show glimpses of her party. Why not? Why not? Seatbelt first, safety first. All right, let's go. So first stop was the party bus. Let me tell y'all how this, I think it was about 45 and over crew. They was playing charades. It was called For the Culture, Black Virgin, you know. They had me cracking up, y'all. And then I had them play this game called Finish the Lyric. I think I made it up, but whatever. They was singing their songs and messing up the lyrics. Y'all know how we do when the music turn off. It was so funny. Now, they had looked so cute getting off this party bus. Come on now. I got them people lit. I should be a party host. Honey, I was doing my job. I was cracking up at how my mother got off this bus, a little 1-2, moo moo. And now it's time to actually go into the lounge. My mom looks so beautiful. I captured some cute photos. We were at Air Lounge in DC. My mom and her husband sang. They just had a good time. They was dancing, partying, drinking, smoking hookah. And while downstairs, this old man was getting it. The lady was twerking. Of course, I had to keep the party going, so Lil Jon Shots was on, baby. I wasn't trying to play no Baltimore club music, so I had to get the Lil Jon Shots version. They like that. Hey everyone, it is day 2. You thought the Rockstar experience was over at the party, but no. My mama got a second look in this photo shoot day. Say hi, Ma. Hi. You see it? It's cute. You didn't know you could do this with locks, did you? So we're waiting for the photographer now, and I'm gonna do some behind the scenes. She looks so pretty. Ellen, we vlogging.
What's up, y'all?
Ma, how you feeling? This photo shoot was really the icing on the cake. My mom has been asking for a photo shoot for quite some time, and I'm just so excited that she got a chance to do this. And Ellen did a great job at the Digital Factory. Everything just was perfect. Okay, everyone, I finally made it back to Atlanta. My mom's birthday was a success. She loved the Rockstar experience. As you can see, my hair is a mess. So I'm actually on my way to the salon to do my own hair. But baby, it was a success. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Let me know if you want the Rockstar experience to come to you. If you want me to make your birthday special. Or any event that you have, you can visit me or book a consultation or just talk to me at therockstarexperience.com, and that's therockstarexperience.com. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys.